a $5 mystery bundle at FabFitFun? I've got one, as well as my 3 refill mystery bundles. So if you want to see what that $5 one and the mystery refill bundles are all about, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I've got Bandit on my lap. You can kind of see the top of his head. And Chloe's off doing Chloe things. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have some FabFitFun add-ons, which I think is just one thing. A $5 mystery bag, which isn't in a bag. It's just random items in there, but I did write down what I purchased, so when I saw these other things, I'm like, that must be the $5 mystery bag, not in a bag. And 3 mystery refills, so let's get into that. All right, my one add-on is this perfume from Brooklyn Ellis. It is in the scent Florist, and I really love their perfumes, so this sounded delightful. It's floral. It's almost like fresh peonies. So rolling around in the bottom of this box was what I'm guessing is my $5 mystery bundle, and I think absolutely worth $5. Probably wouldn't pay much more though. So the first thing is this is Beauty Bakery Nourishing Mascara, and I think I've tried this before and have enjoyed it. It is Beautinique Beauty, and by Beauty Crop we have a Girl Power liquid lipstick. This is a matte one in the shade Date Night. I'm not going to open that up. I don't mind that color, but I probably won't use it. And then we have, from insert name here, some Hot Fix hair gems, hair jewelry. And I mean, I wouldn't use these. It looks like you use a flat iron to put them on, but I bet you my niece would go crazy for these. So, I mean, for $5, that's not bad. Particularly if you have some use for the items. And I mean, I can definitely give those hair gems to my niece. I have a ton of mascara, so I'll probably either put this in a giveaway or give it away as a gift. And this is it's a nice color. I just have so many lippies and I just don't see myself using it. All right, my refill bundles. This is 2404 MYS 013. And now these are, I think they're $20 still, and you're going to get 3 items, and you are supposed to have a value of $75 or more. And they tend to have an inordinate amount of FabFitFun in-house brand items, so they could tell you it's worth whatever they want. You have no idea, because the only place you're finding this is if they're having one of their sales, where it would be like $9.99, original price $36. All right, so by Grown Alchemist, we have the Enzyme Exfoliant, not in a box or anything, a little bit kind of not sealed, so who the heck knows what's going on with that. We have some Invisibobbles, and these I'll probably send to my little niece, and they're super cute, but they just don't work for my hair. It says it's supposed to be less damaging. I can't ever get them out once I get them in. I feel like they're all just messed up. And then we have a set of 3 of these, and they're pretty, but I just got a set of these with my last mystery bundles in the fall. So don't need them, but giftable. All right, you ready for this one? The next one they sent me has another set of those. We do have some plant-based, truly clear, acne-fighting zone patches. So always useful. Oh, and this is Summer and Rose. We have some Summer and Rose little socks in 4 pairs. So white, tan, pink, and black. Useful, but they're kind of low, and I feel like they might slide off. So I don't think I'm going to keep those. And then again, we have this set of 3 baskets, but in purple. So giftable. All right, third bag. At least there's no baskets in there. Okay, so we have another set of socks. Guys, I don't know about these mystery bundles. Even at $20, I don't know. All right, so we have another set of 3 socks. These are at least, you know, more interesting in having some print on them. We have, oh, okay, all right. This is my favorite bundle. This is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This is a nourishing prebiotic green mask. I'm gonna bet that this is pricey. They do say like 1 out of so many is going to receive like a high value item. So this is gonna make up for, again, these baskets are very nice. I just don't need them, but I can gift them. But I do think it's a little odd that you would pull 2 mystery bags, or that you'd even put together, like if most people are getting the same mystery bag, that you would even do the baskets in both. I don't know. And then this is also a nice one. I don't need another one of these, but this is the Asubo Aqualina insulated tumble with hot and cold beverage lid and built-in straw. And this is in this pretty pink, and I know exactly where that's going. The niece is a pink freak, so she's gonna love that. All right, so I think that last bundle, because these are rather pricey. Asubu's a pricey brand. Elemis is definitely a pricey brand. So I think that's the best of the 3 bundles for me, but tell me which one was yours. The first one, which had the peach basket set, the, what else did it have? The Invisibobbles, and I know y'all hate Invisibobble, just like me. And the Grown Alchemist product, which kind of creeped me out because it wasn't sealed, it's not in the box. And I mean, these kind do get all like this. That's not my biggest worry, but like I can't even gift this to anybody, even if I didn't want to use it, because I mean, it's not sealed. So first one, a bust. The second one had the purple baskets, it had the plain socks, and it had the acne patches, so a little step up. And then the third one had the socks, and I think these and this are going to my niece, the Asubu mug in pink, and the Elemis, which is definitely staying with me. All right, so tell me which one your favorite one is. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Be kind to each other, and hopefully I'll see you soon.